So hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Educated Journey. In this video, we are going to discuss about real-time operating system. Real-time operating system is also known as RTOS. So an operating system must give a correct result, but in real-time operating system, the result should be correct as well as it should be on time, which means there is a deadline for the output. So if the output didn't came on time within that deadline, it's a failure of the operating system. In the left hand side, you can see there are applications. Applications means like sensor data. Sensor data means temperature sensor reading or user actions like pressing a brake. And in the middle, you can see real-time operating system. So it takes the input from the application. It gives priority to the task. Like let's assume we are having three tasks, one, two, three, and it will give priority amongst the three which has the most priority and which has to be done more importantly first. And it's also responsible for doing the task on time within the deadline. If the deadline has passed, it means suppose let's say it has to be respond within 9 seconds and it has respond in 10 seconds, then it means it's a failure of the real time operating system. Coming to the right side, we are having custom hardware. Custom hardware means motors, sensors, collectors, or airbag system, which is a great example of this real-time operating system. And we can see there the arrows which are going and coming back. What does it mean? From applications to RTO, it means the user is sending the data or requesting some action to be done. And RTO to custom hardware, it means there is a need of immediate action which has to be done by the hardware. And hardware to RTOS means here it is saying it should give a feedback. From RTO to applications, it's updating the status that it's happening or it will be happen. So the main agenda of RTOS is it should give the correct output and within the deadline. So for this, let us take an example of car airbag system. Imagine sensor detects accident, that is application. Here the application detects the accident and RTO immediately reacts and sends the request and sends the command. It's not a request, it's a command. Sends commands to custom hardware that the airbag should open immediately. If it fails even for 1 second, the life is gone. So this real-time operating system has to be do the work on time within the deadline. And this all happens within milliseconds of time. There are two types of RTOS. First one is hard RTOS and the second one is soft RTOS. In hardware RTOS, the deadline should not be missed. If it missed means it's a failure of the system. For example, let's take air traffic control or medical machines, missile systems should not fail. It should be completed within the deadline. Here, the deadline should not be extended. If extended, it's the system failure. And coming to software RTOS, here the small delays are acceptable, which means it's okay if there is a 1 second, 2 second delay because there is no such loss. There is only performance decrease in soft RTOS. For example, let's consider video streaming. If the video lags, that's fine. There is no loss. Now, this is a question and answer me in the comment box. Let us see if you understood the concept or not. In real-time operating system, what is more important? A. Correct output only. B. Correct time only. C. Correct output within fixed time. And coming to the notes, this is the notes for time sharing operating system, working of real-time operating system, types of real-time operating system, and this is advantages and disadvantages.